Some mornings don't ask you to rush, they simply ask you to open the door and breathe. Hello everyone, so glad to have you all here. Today we are at Atmaveda Riverside Homestay in Srirangapatna, which is an hour and a half away from Bengaluru. One of the most beautiful things about this place is how close we are to the river. You can hear the gentle flow of the water, feel the cool breeze, and just slow down for a moment. Right behind this open cabins, there is this beautiful expansive lawn with a little game area, and just beyond the lawn are the cozy cottages. Right from these cottages, the river is just there in front of you. Come, let's take you down to the river with us. Then we decide to go a little closer to the river. With every step closer, the sound of the water feels softer, clearer, and somehow so calming. Let's dip our feet into the cold water and sit here for a while. Holding this beautiful bouquet by the riverside and simply being here honestly feels like we have wandered straight into a fairy tale. See those cottages over there? That's where we are staying. We are getting really hungry now, so let's have some breakfast. By the way, their kitchen and dining area is right by the swimming pool. And there was a really good spread for breakfast. So here's our plate with a little bit of everything. Now let's head back to our room because we haven't shown you our room yet. This is the cottage we are staying in. Let's get inside. On this side is the bathroom, but before that, here's the closet. And just outside these cottages, there's this beautiful glass game room. It has a lovely open feel with quite a few interesting games inside to keep you entertained. But our hearts and minds are still by the riverside. It is one of those places we don't want to miss a moment of. So we find a quiet spot on the rocks and simply spend time there. After some time, it was time for lunch, so let's go. Soon after the lunch, we decide to take a nap. See you in a while. After our wonderful nap, we decide to have some coffee here by the riverside. And with the birds chirping all around us, the whole moment feels so peaceful. And slowly, the day is getting quieter and evening is setting in. We decide to sit by the riverside, listen to some music, and talk about life. With that, we will say goodbye for today. See you soon in the next vlog. Until then, take care.